Hey guys, so if you're looking for the best product that you can basically use to get rid of those pore on your face, and you want to have your face that smooth look, right? Or from those pore and oil and those bump or those acne on your face, this is one of the great products that you can basically use. And this is the green mask stick, as you can see right here, which control oil and clean your pores. You can unscrew this top, you can take off your cap right here, and you can apply this evenly on your face for about 5 to 10 minutes. Wash it off with some waters basically, so you can basically apply it in the face like this. So basically I can use your finger to basically apply the rest, like so. As you can see guys, it basically evenly distribute now, so I'm going to wait up to 5 minutes, right, 5 to 6 minutes for it to basically just, cement in, and then now I can basically wash it off to show you guys the look of how it basically make my face looking clean and pure, understand? So guys, as you can see, after I have removed it from my face right here, as you can see, looking cool. So I've just removed this from my face, I've applied it, as you guys can see right there. Face is looking really cool, as you can see. Yeah, and basically loving this. Yes, feeling fresh. Face is not that oily, so you remove all those oily pores from your face. It definitely clean your pores, and yeah, it basically works.